Guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing from eBay. Let's take a look and see what we got. Alright. This is going to be an individual phone that I picked up. It was a phone that I bid on. I haven't seen one of them before. Let me see. I'll grab the paper here. It is the UTStarcom CMD 8630 on Alltel. It's been untested. It doesn't have a price. I think it was, I'm going to round it up to like 15 bucks with shipping. But I haven't seen a UTStarcom on Alltel, so I went ahead and picked this one up. No water damage. The battery's a little bit inflated. There's the information on it. Maybe. There you go. So yeah, I'll have to do a video of this one, testing it out. See, I don't even know if I have a charger for it. Maybe. I don't think I do, but I think maybe. I'll have to double check when I move. I don't know where my chargers are right now. But if you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed this short unboxing, and stay tuned for the next one.